GoPro wind noise. Oh my God, it's bad, dude. What's up? This is Richie from the Where We Wild YouTube channel, and today I just wanted to give a quick review on a product that I found that actually works when it comes to getting rid of that horrible GoPro wind noise. If you do a lot of outdoor activities like we do, camping, fishing, hiking, beach days, anything outdoors, you're gonna deal with some wind. So I've done a bunch of research, watched YouTube videos, messed with the camera settings, nothing seemed to work until now. I found this product on Amazon. I believe it's pronounced VGSION, VGSION, foam cover housing for GoPro Hero 8 Windslayer. Comes in a 2-pack, it's $10.99, and all it is this little foam housing that you put on the GoPro, just like you would on any microphone for a podcast or recording vocals for music, same principle. And yeah, man, I think it really does a good job. I've only tried it once, so I can't tell you about the durability of it. It feels pretty strong, but I do know you gotta, stretch it and pull it to get it on the camera, which over time might break it down a little bit. And it is a little annoying to have to take on and off to replace your battery or your memory card while you're out there shooting, but hey, small price to pay for getting rid of the majority of the wind noise in your videos, right? So I gave it a little test. I went up to Castaic Lake, California to do a little fishing and to test this thing out. And it was the perfect day for it. It was probably the windiest day I've seen up there in a really long time. So here's a little footage from that so you can see for yourself whether this thing works or not. Check it out. This is how windy it is. Now, interesting enough though, I just bought these wind screens for the GoPro, so let's see if it makes any difference. Little wind screen test. How bad it is. Guess we'll see. So there you go. You can see this thing works. It got rid of the majority of the wind noise. Unfortunately, there's no fix for construction workers outside of your apartment. Sorry about that. But yeah, for the wind noise on the GoPro, I think this thing actually gets it done. So $10.99 on Amazon. I'll drop the link in the description of this video. And if you found this information useful, drop a like, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Later.